My name is Mary Elizabeth Rupert. My husband and I own a single-family colonial-style home in the Lincolnia area of Alexandria in Fairfax County. When we purchased the house, we knew immediately that we wanted to do some work in the back. We wanted to extend the deck, connect different areas of the yard together, improve the drainage, and we are surrounded by forest and woodlands, a lot of mature trees and wildlife, and we wanted to keep that feel. We had several different companies come out and take a look. They all came up with vastly different plans, none of which exactly expressed what we were hoping for. Campbell and Ferrara's plan most closely matched what we had envisioned for the space. They were excited to take on the challenge of the steep hillside we have, as well as Campbell and Ferrara's confidence that they could implement this plan. Our landscape project did take longer than expected, that's for certain, but there were record-setting rains actually during the period that they were working on it. I would certainly describe the overall project as very challenging and far-reaching. With the multi-levels of our space, we wanted to connect the driveway to the back deck. So we have a staircase there now, composite stair and landing system, as well as built-in stones from the deck to the upper yard space. So we had plants added to the sides of the driveway to increase the beauty there, as well as the functionality of the space. By extending the deck, we had to excavate the hillside quite a bit, and that dirt was relocated elsewhere to build up berms and terrace the land a little better for plants. They installed the French drain system so that our sump pump, which used to come on all the time, very rarely comes on now, which to me really speaks to how effective the French drain system is in managing the water around the house. We could not be more thrilled with the results of the project. A friend was visiting us from out of state for the first time recently, just last weekend, and I really think she said it best when she said, "You must smile every time you come home and see this." I would be quick to recommend Campbell and Ferrara for anybody's project, whether it's large or small. Ours was quite extensive, quite challenging, and they certainly met that challenge and rose above. We also have friends who have already signed up with Campbell and Ferrara actually for a smaller project for their yard. I would easily recommend them. I would say the quality of our life has enhanced on a day-to-day basis, certainly through enjoying the space, but also overall for the value of the home.